Hey guys, so you're probably wondering, why is Coinbase not letting me cash out? There's several reasons for this. One of them is that you're not verified yet, right? So when you're signing up to Coinbase, you go ahead and create your first name, last name. These needs to be your legal name, okay? And then make sure you verify your email as well, do your two-step verification, enter that code, select your country. You need to verify your identity. And if you have an incomplete or identity or KYC verification, basically know your customer, then they may restrict withdrawals. They need things like your photo ID, selfie, your address, okay, to verify you. These are things that are legally required, right, for Coinbase to go ahead and do. So choose your ID type, let's say driver's license, and you upload the front and back of that ID. The images, upload them, they'll verify your ID, and then you can go ahead and add a payment method and withdraw. Ooh, that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.